Hello besties, welcome back to Down for Glam. My name is Gigi and today we're just going to do a little art together. I have these 5 tips all nice and red. Wow, sorry. And now we're just giving them a little bit of a matte top coat. And this is going to be a very Christmas-centric set. So if you are excited about Christmas and you love Santa Claus, this may be the set for you. All right, I'm just going to finish up this top coat and pop it in the lamp, and then we will be right back to go on to the next step. Okay, now we're going to move on to the next step, and for the most part that's just going to be, in case you haven't caught on yet, this is all Santa's suit. Okay, we are representing Santa Claus's outfit with the matte nails. So the matte nails are to represent his like velvety suit. And now we're going to, right along the bottom here, just add a little white. To represent the white fur on his outfit. And on this middle one, we are going to take it down the middle as well. And give ourselves a tiny little ball right there for his hat, for the little fur on his hat. Now, because I want there to be a little something extra in the fur, I'm going to take a little dollop of the hollow glitter and a tiny little brush, and I'm just going to pick up some of the glitter, and we're just going to swirl it in there. And I'm going to get some white on my finger because, honestly, it would not be a Gigi video without it, right? Oops. It's not exactly what I wanted to happen. But we'll just spread the love around. Ball as well. All right, I'm going to pop that in the lamp. Okay, and now what we're going to do is paint on Santa's belt. And for that we need a little black, and so I'm just gonna load up my brush a little. And I'm not gonna try to press down, I'm just gonna glide across. I think we may need a little cleanup on aisle 5. I don't even know what that was, guys. I'm sorry. I'm a weirdo. welcome to Weirdo Nail Tutorials featuring Gigi. Alright, I actually really dig that. Let's keep going. Right, before we pop this in the lamp, let's go ahead and connect an outline of a hat, of the end of the hat, with this little puff ball. So it just looks like his hat is hanging down on his chest. There we go. I'm just going to clean it up a little, and then we're going to pop everything in the lamp. And now we are going to go ahead and just top coat this black part. And the white part too, actually. Because we really don't want it to get dirty. But just be careful, you want to keep that matte. You can always come back and hit it if you hit a little spot. So don't be too upset if that happens. Okay, now before we actually pop this in the lamp, I'm going to add just the tiniest bit more top coat to this one. And we are going to pop this little bad boy on there. To be the buckle of Santa's coat. And there we go. Okay, I'm going to pop this in the lamp. We'll be right back. Okay, guys, and here you have it, Santa's suit. Let me know what you think of this in the comment section below. Of course, the middle nail is the one that really brings it all together. Otherwise, it's just a weirdly striped set of nails. But when viewed all together, it's Santa's suit. I don't know, I just thought it was a cute idea for a set of nails. Let me know, would you wear this? Are you Santa obsessed? Do you love Christmas? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.